I'm striving, trying to make it through this barreling. Oh, yes, sir. But as I go from day to day, I can hear my Savior say, trust me, child. Come on, I'll hold your hand. I'm coming up on the rough side of the mountain. Take your time and say it, that's all right.